Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am James and today we're exploring how to view pool results on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's jump right in. First of all, make sure that you're using the updated version of Snapchat, and if you do that, go to the Snapchat, and what you do is simply go to your story by tapping on the profile icon on the left top corner. uh, there is a story section. Simply tap on that. Once you go to your story, you go to the profile section and go to your story. Simply go tap on story, and here you can, on the down bottom left corner, you can see the view. Simply icon of eye. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, here you can see, or you can view the pool results and who liked your who have done like, or you have seen your uh, you know results on Snapchat. Here you can see pool results on Snapchat. This is how you can view your pool results on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. If this video helped you, give a like and subscribe. For more, got some questions, please comment below. Signing off until next time.